see tomorrow, when my strength begins to fade, you remain my steady shelter, never changing, never sway. I surrender every question, trusting where your mercy leads. Your ways are always higher, Lord, your plan is all I need. I have walked through silent valleys, searching for a guiding light. Every step you walk beside me, holding me throughout the night. Though I feared what lay before me, you were writing hope for me. And now I know your heart is faithful, setting every captive free. Your wisdom reaches farther than these eyes could ever see. Your plan is better than mine, Lord. Your love is greater every day. Even when I don't understand, I'll trust the path you make. You turn my tears into a testimony, my weakness into grace. Your plan is better than mine, Lord. Forever I will praise your name. Hey! Every closed door had a purpose, every waiting season too. You were shaping something deeper, drawing me much closer to you. Now my heart has found its answer, not in what my hands can do. Life is found in full surrender, every dream begins with you. When the mountains stand before me and the road is hard to find, you are still my faithful shepherd, leading with your perfect light. Every promise you have spoken stands forever strong and true. I will rest within your presence, knowing all belongs to you. You have turned my pain to purpose, changed my mourning into song. Every trial made me stronger, teaching me where I belong. Now my heart beats with thanksgiving, every breath declares your grace. I will lift your holy name, Lord, till I see you face to face. So when my journey here is over and I stand before your throne, I will sing of all your goodness, how you never left alone. Every chapter